first part of our services is more vigorous and active. It's to help us wake up and see each other and get the blood and breath moving. And now we open the door to a more reverent part of our service. It'll be contemplative, and we'll chant together, and then we will have a moment of silence as well. To keep that silence deep, I'd like you to turn off your phones now, even if you don't think you're going to get a call. If you've been here for even a little while, you know it happens unexpectedly. One of the songs that we're going to use, the chant we'll use today, is Listen, 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 which in the 80s and 90s, the unity movement started to unfold and bring in more wisdom from Asian sources. And so this was from Swami Shivananda. It's an adaptation of his one of his prayers. Before we get there, though, I want to invite up Inez to give us our reading today from Myrtle Fillmore.
A reading from Myrtle Fillmore. The light of God revealed to us. The thought came to me first that life was of God, that we were inseparably one with the source, and that we inherited this from the divine. What that revelation did to me at first was not apparent to the senses, but it held my mind above negation, and I began to claim my birthright and to act as though I believed myself the child of God, filled with life. Others saw that there was something new in me. They asked me to share it. I did. Others were healed and began to study. My husband continued his business, and at first took little interest in what I was doing. But after a time, he became absorbed in the study of the truth too. We consecrated ourselves to the Spirit and kept doing daily that which we felt led to do. We began to prosper, a little at a time, and our health continued to improve. Life became sweeter and more interesting, and we began to see a new world. In all these years, our interest has not lagged, and we have continued to enjoy the unfoldment of God's plan in our lives. God is the only reality to us. All else is but a shadow that is cast by some foolish belief or unwise combination of thoughts and elements of being. When we let light flood us with its sunshine, all clouds vanished, and we begin to see ourselves in new ways of doing, which lead to wholeness and health, satisfaction, and growth.